Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook dry kpomo, or called cow skin. How to cook it to be soft, how to soften it. So in a bowl, I transfer the dry kpomo, or called cow skin. Guys, I'm used to calling this thing kpomo, but it's called cow skin. After transferring the cow skin to the bowl, next step is to add boiled hot water. And I boiled water twice to make sure that it covers the surface of the dry kpomo, or cow skin. It's called cow skin. So I cover it because I don't want the water to get cold. I boiled another water, then add it again. And when I add the second kettle of the water, I covered it and allow it to stay for days. I was supposed to leave this for 2 days, but do you know what? I forgot it and it was there for more than 4 days. 4 days. Four days later, this is what it looks like. This thing has a strong smell. I don't know that because I left it for 4 days, but the smell was really strong. So next I throw the water away and I start washing it. I wash it so many times. I wash and wash. It got to a point I have to use knife and start scraping the cow skin so that I can scrape all the dirt, because there's this dirt that is so stubborn that if you don't use the knife, it's not going to come out. And it was fun washing this kpomo because since I came to UK, I've not washed kpomo or cow skin. It's called cow skin. So washing it reminded me of when I was back home in Nigeria, when my mom used to buy cow skin a lot. She would buy cow skin, she would buy cow head, and I would stay there washing it for hours and hours. So it was fun. And I want to say thank you to my friend who gave me this grace. Thank you so much, because kpomo in the UK, some of you who don't know, kpomo in the UK is very expensive. Like, it's not cheap. So thank you so much. Guys, please, if you've not give this video a thumbs up, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you've not subscribed. So this is me washing the kpomo and I was scraping, like I want to make sure that there's no dirt before I leave this kpomo. So after washing it, the cow skin, it took me about 25 minutes. It wasn't a joke. I had to wash it, scrape it. So next I'm cutting it into maybe into 4. Then I'm going to transfer it to a pressure cooker, because if you use ordinary pot to cook this, you're going to cook it for long, but the pressure cooker will cook it for you for 20 minutes. Trust me, 20 minutes. So I add a lot of water to cover the surface of the kpomo, enough water to cook the kpomo or cow skin. Now I'm adding 1 seasoning cube, that chicken seasoning cube. Then I'm going to cover. I don't want to add salt because the seasoning cube contains salt as well, because I'm just pre-cooking this. I'm still going to use it to cook any other thing that I want to use it to cook. So 20 minutes later, that's what I love about this pressure cooker. It's like a magic. It cooks it and it was soft already. It was even softer than I wanted it. So this is it now. So I transfer to a plate. Then the next step is to cut it into the size that I want, like a bite size. It is so easy to cook the cow skin, which is called kpomo. It's only washing it. Washing it took me like 25 minutes, which is a bit time consuming. But apart from that, everything went very easy. So after cutting the cow skin into bite size. I transfer it to my freezer because I'm not going to use it to cook now. And I want to say thank you again to my friend who gave me this cow skin. Thank you so much. You guys in Nigeria, you don't know what you're enjoying. Like, you don't know what you're enjoying. I remember when I was in Nigeria, I'll just go to the market, I'll buy Kpomo, I'll be there pricing. But guys, you guys are enjoying a lot. Kpomo in the UK is very expensive. Like, it's not cheap. I don't know why. Because it's contraband. I think it's contraband. So if you watch this video to this time and you've not subscribed, please subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Support my business. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comment. So this is the finished product. You see, this is my Kpomo cow skin. Cow skin tastes delicious. Do you know, with this cow skin, you can use it to cook anything you want to cook. Stew, soup, anything. You can just make peppered Kpomo. But I'm not making it here. I'm just going to put this in the freezer. Whenever I'm ready, I'll use it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.